Give me something good here like A.J. Brown. I really would appreciate A.J. Brown here. This might take a while to get a bird logo, but let's just pray. Give me A.J. Brown. Maybe, oh, DK Metcalf. That's not bad. Okay, we got this team ready. I've got the team loaded into Madden, so let's sim to the playoffs and see how the team does. Before we check the standings, let's check the stats. Jalen Hurts had 4,000 yards, 26 touchdowns, 11 interceptions. Not a great year. Bijan didn't even have 1,000 yards, but he had 19 touchdowns. Dang, that is a pretty decent year from him there. Jackson Smith carried the team in the receiving game. He had 15 touchdowns and 1,100 yards. Noah Fant was second. That's crazy. Unfortunately, we went 8-9. Not really surprised considering we made a worse version of the Eagles, but a little disappointing.